The quality of Wi-Fi reception on our smartphones would depend on different factors. Thick walls and distance are the main reason why you would experience a weak signal or poor Wi-Fi reception. But what if you are near the router or modem but you still have an iPhone 12 with poor Wi-Fi reception or weak Wi-Fi signal? In this video, we will show you how to fix iPhone 12 with poor Wi-Fi reception or weak signal. First solution, restart your router or modem. The first thing that you can do is to ensure that this problem is not caused by the internet equipment. Since the router/modem is turned on most of the time, they could encounter a glitch that may affect some connections on the device that is using the Wi-Fi. Hence, it is necessary to give it a quick system refresh and see if it fixes the poor Wi-Fi reception on your iPhone 12. Unplug your modem or router from the wall outlet or simply disconnect the power cord from the main unit. Leave it without power for a minute or two. Plug your router's power cord back into the wall outlet or reconnect the cord to the main unit and wait for the device to become online. Once a stable signal on your Wi-Fi modem/router is back, connect your iPhone 12 and see if it is getting a stronger signal reception this time. Second solution, restart your iPhone 12. The next thing to do if the issue persists is to refresh the phone system. Just like your internet equipment, the iPhone 12 could also suffer from glitches by the time you use the device. Performing a reset is a simple task to do and has been proven effective in correcting minor software glitches. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Then press and quickly release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side/power button until the Apple logo appears. Just check the Wi-Fi reception on your iPhone 12 after the restart and see if the issue has been resolved. Third solution, enable and disable airplane mode on iPhone 12. This has been often neglected to be performed by a lot of people. However, the airplane mode plays an essential role in dealing with connectivity problems on the device. It helps in clearing glitches with the connections in a very easy, yet quick manner. As you might know, airplane mode will turn off all radio connections on the device that could help in removing those connection errors. Pull down the control center. Tap the airplane mode icon to enable it. After a few seconds, tap on it again to disable it back. Just wait for the connections to be established and check if the Wi-Fi signal reception on your iPhone 12 has already improved. Fourth solution, reset network settings on iPhone 12. One of the best ways to deal with connectivity-related problems is to remove those manually configured network settings and revert them to their default values and options. Performing a reset network settings procedure will also delete those saved Wi-Fi networks on your iPhone 12, removing the possibility of conflicts that may have been causing the Wi-Fi reception quality to be weak or poor. This process should not affect your personal files, so performing a backup is not necessary. From the home screen, tap Settings. Tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Touch Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset Network Settings at the bottom of the screen. Once the phone's network details have been reverted to their default options, connect your iPhone 12 to the desired Wi-Fi network and see if the signal reception is acceptable. I hope this troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enable the notification. Thanks for watching.